Family. Alrighty. So we've gotten here and we have checked in. We have our keys. I can get it open with one hand. Let's see here, room 22018. Here at the ARIA. There you go, Sanaya. You go ahead and hold on to the keys. All right, you all. So we're about to go to our room. What time is it right now? Our plane. 12:57. Okay, so our plane landed at 10 till 11. And what time is it now? 12:57. So just about 2 hours. Just about 2 hours to get from the airport. And that sounds like a lot, but I was filming. I didn't just go straight from the airport to, to a taxi and get here. But yeah, just about 2 hours from, and when I say 10 till 11, that's when the plane landed. We actually sat there in the plane for a good 15-20 minutes before getting off the plane. So, but all of that being said, we're here in the ARIA. This is the lobby bar. Actually has two bars here. They got the lobby bar, they got the lift bar. So Naya, this way for the room. Or you say that again? Okay. Okay, maybe there's something different going on. Because we are staying in a city view room. Say that again. I'm sorry, strip view room. So where does she say that we need to go?
Yes, the elevator's that way.
Okay. Now, that's actually where I was going. Okay. There's several ways you can get to the elevators. Okay. I was gonna go one way. We're going this way. We're gonna follow the arrows. How about that? We're gonna follow the arrows. Like somebody got a bonus over there on the Willy Wonka game. All right. Excuse me. Yes, elevators, Sky Suites, Tower Suites, Resort Tower. I think we're going to be in the Resort Tower. Good morning, sir.
settle up all too well. When are you due?
End of June.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. It's a boy.
I was just getting ready to say it looks like a boy.
It's a boy. Yo, have a good day.
You too.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck.
We're on the 22nd floor. Oh my goodness, it's been years since I've been here to the ARIA.
I see you.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. I think.
Okay, what's our room?
018.
Okay, we might be all the way down on the end. 018. Are the numbers going down this way?
Yeah,
Yes, they
check
are.
This next one.
They are going down this way.
Yeah, this is 062. Oh, we gotta walk the green mile.
Okay, we got to walk the green mile to get to our room, y'all. But look at the carpet. Look at the floor here. This is interesting. And then they have this split here, so okay, so 02. Okay, so we keep going this way. Let's say 2218.
018.
018. Okay, we're heading in the right direction.
Getting close. We have found our home for today.
All right.
All right.
22018. Okay, so they say the curtains are supposed to open once you walk in, and they're opening. The curtains are opening as we walk in. Yes. Yes. So Naya, do me a favor, hit the button for the shears right there on the wall. How y'all like that? How y'all like that? This is the strip view room at the ARIA. King strip view room. There's the strip right along there. And there's the fountains at the ARIA right down there. I think these are condominiums. I think these are condominiums. That's just a strange color to me. That yellow, that's just a strange color to me for a building. It really stands out. This is Crystal's Mall right here. Crystal's Mall, Planet Hollywood, Cosmopolitan right there with that distinctive top where they have all kinds of little videos playing at the top of the Cosmopolitan. So we have made it, y'all. We have made it to the ARIA. You all know not to touch that stuff there. It'll cost you an arm and a leg and a half ass. Yeah, you touch that stuff there. Hold on. Let's look in the refrigerator real quick. All this stuff is expensive. Yeah, don't even touch it. And they used to give you a little space up top
For your own
for your
stuff.
personal space. They don't even give you that now. Y'all should be ashamed of yourself. But it's all good. I ain't gonna knock the hustle. Do what you gotta do. Get that dough. The king size bed.
This is fabulous.
Fabulous indeed.
I don't know, somehow I thought we was going to be able to see the Bellagio from here.
No, the Bellagio, you can't.
It's on the other side.
Yeah, it's on the other side. You can see the Bellagio from the Vidara, but
Gotcha.
I don't believe you can see the Bellagio from the ARIA.
And that's where we're finishing off our tour.
Yeah. We're finishing off at MGM Grand.
That fountain is cute.
Yeah, like I say, ARIA has its own little fountain. Let's just take a peek at the other areas of the room. Got a full-length mirror here. Two large closet with the robes. I will be rocking the robe to the pool. Think I ain't? I guess this is the do not disturb. Okay. So Naya's having a she done lost her breath over the bathroom.
Come on. Show the people what we're working with.
Yeah, this is really unique. I've always thought this was unique about the ARIA's bathroom. They have a shower. They have a shower in here and a tub. Look at this tub, y'all. Look at this tub. I mean, you got a swimming pool in your room. And as Ruby calls this, the water closet, Travel Ruby. The water closet. The ARIA's products are really high quality. Really high quality shampoos, conditioners, soaps. And I believe that the same products that they have in the ARIA, they have in just about all of the MGM properties. So then again, ARIA might be a little bit different, might be on another level. But this is the room, you all. This is the Deluxe King Strip View room at the ARIA. I want to thank you all for clicking on and tuning into this video. If you liked it, press the like button. If you have any questions or positive or constructive comments, leave them down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to this type of travel content. I'm going to be doing more videos of the room, so stay tuned for those. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Be blessed and be a blessing.